Ever get tired of sitting in traffic, riding the bus, or the subway? Well, Ehang intends to help people avoid the stress, hustle, and bustle of their everyday public transportation by introducing their passenger-carrying electric unmanned air taxi. Ehang showed off their newest model at Smart Transport Expo in Hangzhou and said the first flights will be limited for low-altitude tourism and urban sightseeing tours at Guangzhou and Hefei only, rather than wider air taxi services, but this is just the beginning. The company's vice president stated that passengers would be able to take rides along set routes in both of those locations from the end of June, and more tourist routes that are planned are pending approval at 6 locations, including Shenzhen. He explained that commercial air taxi services are going to be available, but thinks that won't be achieved for another 3 to 5 years. Though the company didn't share the price of the rides yet, the suggested retail price for the EH216-S model in global markets outside of China is $410,000. The vehicle travels by following a set route with a preset flight plan, optimized before takeoff based on weather and traffic, and is remotely monitored from a command and control center that can override the autonomous system if necessary. The aircraft uses sensors including LiDAR for obstacle detection and avoidance, changing flight plans in case of wind changes or pop-up storms. The system can monitor each airborne vehicle and acquire its operating status, health condition, then transmit the information back to the command and control system to ensure safety. It travels at a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour with a range of 30 kilometers. The vehicle's charging devices can communicate in real time with the aircraft battery management system and can be fully charged within 2 hours. The company claims this vehicle is also eco-friendly, with its electric power reducing environmental harm caused by emission. Will this become the next major form of transportation and slowly replace vehicles like buses, cars, and bikes over time? It's really interesting to see flying cars finally being introduced on the market. It may not be exactly what we expected or were hoping for, but it's a start, and this company's making impressively fast progress so far. What do you think? Would you trust a self-driving taxi to fly you around in the city or not? Let me know in the comments section below, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.